When I was young, I always say this, although I got involved in sort of criminal behaviour, I wasn't one of those hardened criminals who was like, you know what, yes, I'm a guy. Like, it was always that, you kind of felt embarrassed about being involved in it, but it's the peer pressure. I always say this all the time, peer pressure is the biggest influence on any child. I was always that sort of person where I knew that being involved in the roles wasn't my long-term ambition. It was something that was part of my life. I received my punishment for it, which was needed, but that also gave me time to reflect and realize, you know what, this ain't your calling. While I was in prison, I saw so many young players who were so good. I was like, you could have made it, but they didn't know about semi-professional football, so that's one of the reasons initially why I started the 32 BOROUGH Cup. The 32 BOROUGH Cup is a big message for not just the young people, but society in general, that, you know what, these young people can get along. Although they're from different areas, you're one and the same people, you all got the same interests, you all love football, you all got ambitions to have successful lives, and you can get along, you just don't know each other. That's the only problem. You just live in different areas too.
I've known Bobby for quite some time. This is our first year in the cup.
We've got a good bunch of boys who are, you know, ready for Sunday and ready to try and win the 32 BOROUGH Cup.
I started from secondary school, so I've been coaching since I was in secondary school. But I'm brought up in the same area as most of these. I'm from Dagenham, so like it's a rough upbringing. Through being brought up from Dagenham, I wouldn't change a thing because it's made me the person that I am. Yeah, it's not the best of places, but then nowhere's going to be perfect. So it sort of makes you the person who you are today. What I say to them a lot is, I'm not just here to make you as players, I'm here to make you as people. And that's what we're trying to implement with these boys. It's not just come on here 10 till 12 and enjoy it. It's what can you get out of the most of this? What can you learn?
My name is Emmanuel and I'm a fullback and a centre back. There's a lot of stereotypes about young black boys getting into trouble and stuff like that. And I feel like this academy has helped me to keep out of trouble. We've seen a lot of people come out of here successful, seen a lot of people being given opportunities. Most of us are taking it. I managed to get signed when I was 14 at Leighton Orient, and I was there for 2 years, and now I just got offered my scholarship there.
Actually, these kids now, who wants to be a professional footballer, all of their hands will go straight up. Not everyone's going to make that dream, but it doesn't make you any different, doesn't make you any lesser. As long as they've had a fun sort of journey along the way, then yeah, then that's what we're here for, to be fair.
My name's Dylan Barnes, I'm the Academy Director and also the founder of DC Football Academy. About 2 years ago, I decided to open up our own football academy for 16 to 17-year-olds where the players can train full-time, gain a BTEC and most importantly gain life lessons as well. So once they leave here, it's not about them, you know, progressing as a footballer or progressing through the academic route. It's about how can we mould them as a man, because there's a lot of 16, 17, 18-year-olds, even people that are older that, you know, don't really know what they want to do with life and haven't really got that that kind of support and wraparound care to help them do that. So for us to be able to have that wraparound care here and to be able to, you know, push them in the right direction, whether they want to continue playing football, whether they want to go to university, whether they want to get a job, we're always here to make sure we have that, you know, wraparound care with the boys and making sure they can pursue their dreams.
My name's Donovan Reynolds. I'm the head coach here, so I take the training and get the boys prepared basically. There's a lot of youngsters out there who don't really do college or don't, you know, not really interested or don't know their path. And what I've noticed is with these academies, they'll always take something out of it. So if we just, you know, the dream is to be a professional at the end of the day, which is fair enough. So that's what gets the boys in. Plus you'll always take something out of it because you've got, like, you know, the BTEC, you know, something to learn as well.
When it goes to Moranis, we need to capitalise.
I've been coaching for about 2 years, but I was coaching 10 years ago. I'm the head coach for Lewisham Borough, and at the moment we are at Renford Clubs at Barcelona's sports ground. We're actually playing a friendly, preparing for the BT Sport Cup. We're actually 3-1 down, or 3-0 down, should I say. And it's been a harsh lesson for the boys. These kids are ranged between 15 and 18, and it means a lot to me to coach them, to give them something to do. As you can see here, they're playing for a common goal and, you know, to win, teamwork and stuff like that. I had a friend called Jabari Crichton who I lost through knife crime, and I think that if we had a few of these outlets or, you know, a few of these places, he wouldn't be in that. He wouldn't be in a coffin. Mentoring kids, mentoring youth, giving them something to do that they can take forward through in life. The words can't explain it, you know. It's something that is undescribable.
Hackney Marshalls was off the cards from the very beginning. They said that you can't have it here this year because we're reseeding the grass. So at that point, you kind of feel like, lucky for us, the Mayor of London came to visit Hackney Football Club on his mayoral campaign, and with him came the Mayor of Hackney, and I spoke to the Mayor of Hackney and said, look, we want to have it here, we're from Hackney, this is the best place to have it, and he pulled strings for us and made it happen over at Hackney Marshalls, which we are grateful for.
Thanks very much, Bobby. When we came down and saw Hackney Wick FC playing on Hackney Marshes a couple of months ago, Bobby was homeless for this event, and I wanted to make sure that he could bring this event home to the home of grassroots football in Hackney on Hackney Marshes. I'm just really pleased that 32 boroughs are here today, playing on some of the best pitches in London. I obviously want Hackney to win, but as Bobby said, you are the very best of grassroots football across the capital.
How you doing, guys? I'm Anton Ferdinand. I was you guys once upon a time, and I was able to become a footballer, right? This is the start of your lot's journey, and the fact that this initiative in football can bring you all together from different boroughs is fantastic to see this happening, and to see the way that you lot are together today. It's unbelievable. So why can't we take this into everyday life? I'm looking forward to seeing everyone play, and good luck to everyone today, okay? Good luck, everyone.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Seeing all the kids sort of moving forward, and you think to yourself like, wow, this is crazy. We've actually put this together. And I say we because a lot of times, yes, I'm the face of it and people see me, but there's a whole team behind me that work tirelessly behind the scenes who don't get all the credit they deserve. But when you see all those young people sort of lined up in their kits and all getting ready to play, that's an amazing feeling, man.